Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Supertrade token. Ticker symbol is SPX. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 16th. Now the real ticker symbol for this token is SPT, but on this new central exchange listing, it's going to be SPX, and I'll explain that in a minute here. We're going to go over all the info, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Supertrade token. So normally, this is a Binance Smart Chain token, first of all. It only has 7 holders, it says on their BSC scan, so it's safe to say that this token is really not available anywhere yet. Might be just starting to be available on PancakeSwap. As of a day ago, I do see some PancakeSwap transactions, but it only says 7 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and there's a max total supply of 100 million tokens. And if you look up Supertrade on their BSC scan, the actual ticker symbol is SPT. But this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. And most likely there is already a token on Mexc that has the ticker symbol SPT, because there's a lot of tokens that exist out there. And so for this new listing on Mexc Global, it's going to be under ticker symbol SPX. Now, if you're looking to get the Supertrade token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SPX, and then simply just buy the token, and it gets listed exactly December 16th at 11 o'clock UTC time. So Supertrade, a digital currency for artwork and collection, entertainment platforms, adoptable universally across other industries. So, They have a huge white paper that you can find on their webpage. If you go over to supertrade.me, you can find a 34-page white paper that has tons of information on there. So Superchain, or Supertrade, whatever you want to call it, Superchain is a vast decentralized database based on Ethereum's private chain of cultural and artistic ecosystems, where the source, identification, and storage of data is done through community members. Contains multi-dimensional information related to culture and art, such as art information, artist information, market maker information, etc. Each type of information is also high precision, and on this basis set up in a variety of smart contracts and incentive mechanisms to ensure the normal operation of the super ecosystem. Supertrade is a specific application. So that's the difference between Superchain and Supertrade. Supertrade is a specific application including art registration, traceability, bidding transactions, managed warehousing, pledge services, security services, etc. It's the cultural and artistic industry in the public chain of the terminal form of expression, with the development of the cultural market and the segmentation of the cultural field. Supertrade will be able to develop more applications such as art appreciation, entertainment, and art training, and the flow of art-related materials. Super, in the public chain database on the basis of artificial intelligence technology, will provide more accurate service solutions for users to tailor their cultural art needs, such as a system that will recommend high correlation of art in line with regional characteristics, in line with the user's personal hobbies, in line with the user's circle of habits, their income level, investment habits, and recommend for its customized corresponding protection and hosting services. So SBT is the industry public chain based on blockchain tech for art traceability and trading. By chaining the entire process of art creation and trading, the current art industry has solved the problem of ownership and circulation. Specifically, Supertrade uses IoT technology to document the entire process of art creation and generates a unique identity, NFT, for each artwork based on the principle of cryptography hashing operations, extracting digital fingerprints and uploading them to the blockchain for true, transparent, and non-tamperable traceability. So they have a roadmap on here. They started all the way back in December 2021 with the team was formed and the project concept was proposed. And then February 2023, the consultant team was formed to conduct a project research. November, complete the project technical book and enter the project development. And then coming next year, we're going to have Supertrade's NFT trading platform will be launched. And then the Super Chain launched, becoming the first professional art public chain. And then unite 100 outstanding artists around the world to carry out the art NFT creation. So basically what they're saying is they come up with the idea a long time ago. They've been working on it. They finally released this Binance Smart Chain token, which is now getting their first big central exchange listing. And then basically coming next year is when all the utilities come out, like the NFT trading platform and the Super Chain and things like that. Now, the ultimate goal of SPT is to evolve into a fully decentralized autonomous organization where all governance and decision rights belong to the platform's users by providing creators and collectors with the opportunity to propose and vote on platform upgrades. We make sure that the platform becomes a public good, responsive directly to its community members. On SPT, you have a voice, and your voice is heard. Now, they have other frequently asked questions you can review, like how do I share my idea and proposal in the governance, where do I start, how do I submit a proposal, that type of stuff. So if you want to learn how the DAO works, you can check that out. Now, they have contact info at the bottom of their webpage. You can subscribe to a newsletter. Check it all out, supertrade.me. And you can find this token newly listed as of December 16th on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.